So a very quick impromptu video to answer possibly the biggest question absolutely all of you have been asking when it comes to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Basically, this drone has just launched to much fanfare and it certainly looks an absolutely cracking piece of kit. Yes, stay tuned to the channel because I will be buying one. I don't have one for free and I will be posting my review in the next couple of days. But the big question is relating to the batteries. Everybody wants to know, does the DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries fit the DJI Mini 4 Pro? The big answer is absolutely yes, they do. But there is an absolutely huge problem. The DJI Mini 4 Pro batteries are physically 2.6 grams lighter. Yes, it makes a difference than the Mini 3 Pro batteries, thus meaning that whilst the DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries will fit in the back of your Mini 4 Pro and they will work absolutely perfectly fine, it will push you over that magic 249 grams, thus meaning you could be breaking local laws and regulations depending on where you want to fly with your new DJI Mini 4 Pro. So basically, that's it. Bearer of bad news, sorry, but it does answer the question once and for all. Yes, it will work, but it's going to put you over that 249 grams, and there are a couple of little differences in the batteries as well. I'll quickly pop them on screen now. So basically, the Mini 4 Pro battery is actually slightly more powerful, okay? So if you are looking to buy the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you might want to consider a extra couple of batteries, or indeed invest in the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2 screen, and I will pop a link so you can go buy them in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.